How to unhide posts on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, at the bottom of the screen, click on the Profile menu. At the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings gear icon. In the Settings and Privacy section, scroll down to the Your Activity section. Look for the option Activity Log and click on it. From the menu that appears, click on the Your Facebook activity. Scroll down to the Posts section and click on the Manage Posts. In this, click on the Filters option. In the pop-up menu, click on the Categories. Now, from the menu that appears, click on the Posts hidden from profile. Here, you can see all your hidden posts. To unhide the hidden posts, tap on the three dots next to the posts. Now, in the pop-up menu, click on the Add to Profile. To verify, go back to your main profile menu page. At the top of the screen, tap on the profile name. Now, scroll down and you can see the unhide post on your profile. And that's it.